Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay. Good afternoon.
Good morning, ma'am. Sorry, good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, Aiza, it's okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Nena.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Jay. When you start your meeting, does it say is recording in progress?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
That means you all have the record. You all are getting recordings in your phone only.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
But
ma'am, we are not.
then why it says recording is in progress?
Ma'am, because
Ma'am,
it's
because you are recording the
going on.
meeting.
Okay.
That the host is recording the meeting.
Okay.
For
This is the,
privacy purposes.
Acha,
Good
that
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. I thought that because your phones are also taking the recording, because I heard somebody in one of the phones it was saying recording started or recording in progress, something like that it was saying. Chaliye, we will continue with geography or we'll start with the history question answers.
Ma'am, history question answers.
Fine.
I'm history question answers.
Ma'am, flowchart.
नहीं, पहले question answers पुनीत. Flowcharts
Okay,
हमने
ma'am.
flowcharts तो उस दिन दे तो दिए थे.
मैम नेशनलिज्म इन इंडिया के भी होगा.
Ma'am, geography.
Which chapters flowchart, Pavni?
Ma'am, geography.
For nationalism in India.
We have not done.
Ma'am, we have done.
Done. Okay, you want for geography, but let. हाँ, civics. अच्छा बेटा, हाँ एक चीज और. Second chapter question answers are done, no?
And which subject? History.
Civics.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
done.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Fine. So we are left with only history chapter 2, nationalism in India. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Do I need to share the book or you all have the books with you?
Ma'am, we have it. Ma'am, we have.
Yes.
Ma'am, you said that you will give us some maps.
That I will give you. For history only, we have some maps. Acha, tell me one thing. If I am not wrong, no, for history I am talking right now. For history I am talking. If I am not wrong, I think when we were coming to school, did I give you any map for history? 9 places to mark.
Ma'am, one map.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, then it is fine. Beta, you all need to do that map only.
Ma'am, you said for geography.
I said for geography, but अभी हम history कर रहे हैं ना, तो मुझे लगा कि history का पता नहीं हमने आपसे share करा है कि नहीं करा है.
Yes, ma'am, you did.
हाँ, then it is fine if I have shared. चलो जी, ये आ गया हमारी बुक. We will go to question answers, है ना? चलिए. Write in brief, write in short. Explain why growth of nationalism in the colonies is linked to an anti-colonial movement. Akansha, can we have you answering this question if you have the book? Akansha Saxena, are you there? बेटा anybody for this answer, class?
I'm finding.
Huh?
I'm just looking at the answer.
Okay, fine. I think you'll get this on first page.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Gargi.
Ma'am, it is on the first page only. Second
Huh?
paragraph. The growth
Second.
of modern nationalism is intimately connected to the anti-colonial movement. People began discovering their unity in the process of their struggle with colonialism. The sense of being oppressed under colonialism provided a shared bond that tied many different groups together. But each class and group felt the effects of colonialism differently. Their experiences were varied, and their notions of freedom were not always the same.
Okay. Anybody else for the same answer? Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am, it is correct.
Yes, ma'am, correct.
I hope
Yes,
all have marked.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, our voice is low.
अच्छा चलो ठीक है. I am telling you. Open the first page of the chapter Nationalism in India. Second paragraph, last 3 words. The growth of modern nationalism is intimately connected to the anti-colonial movement. People began discovering their unity in the process of their struggle with colonialism. The sense of being oppressed under colonialism provided a shared bond that tied many different groups together, but each class and group felt the effects of colonialism differently. Their experiences were varied and their notions of freedom were not always the same. तो हम इस लाइन को छोड़ देंगे. हम कहां तक करेंगे? The sense of being oppressed under colonialism provided a shared bond that tied many different groups together. Full stop. Answer complete. Oh, I hope you all have underlined.
Ma'am, these 2 lines only.
हाँ जी बेटा. 1, 2, 3, 4,
And from the
5.
fence to together.
बेटा 5 lines है. इनको points में लिख लो. 2 points में चाहो तो.
Can you repeat?
Ma'am, can you repeat again?
Can you repeat?
Second paragraph, first line, last 3 words. Your answer starts from the growth of modern nationalism. Got these lines?
Ma'am,
Yes,
can you tell
ma'am.
the page?
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा पेज नंबर इज 53. अभी हमारे पास बहुत
Okay,
पुरानी बुक है. ठीक है, बहुत पुरानी बुक है. पेज 53 दिखा रहा है उसमें ये. अरे
Ma'am,
book
53.
रुको रुको हम बता रहे हैं. ये जो हमने
Ma'am, first page of the chapter.
page of the chapter.
Ma'am, first page of the chapter.
ये देखो. रुको.
Ma'am, it's on the same page and same place.
हाँ आई नो.
second para, first line.
ये आप आ जाओ इधर पे. Are you able to see the underlined word?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes,
up
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
till together. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone underlined?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So let's move to the next answer.
ma'am, may I tell the next answer?
Okay, read out the question as well. Read out the question also, Naina.
Yes, ma'am. Explain how First World War helped in the growth of national movement in India. On page number 54, the
This page
First
number?
World War helped. Yes, ma'am. The
Fine.
First World War helped in the growth of national movement in India as follows. First point, it led to the huge increase in defense expenditure, which was financed by war loans and increasing taxes custom duties were raised and income tax were introduced. Second point, the forced recruitment in rural areas caused a widespread anger. Third point, crops failed in many parts of India, resulting in acute shortages of food. And fourth point, 12 to 13 million people were perished as a result of famines and epidemic.
Perfect. Everybody has underlined?
Ma'am, what is the
Yes,
second
ma'am.
point?
Yes, ma'am.
Second point is from crops failed to shortages of food.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
But it was third point.
बेटा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. This whole paragraph into points you write as per your wish.
Okay.
ठीक है? जैसे the war created a new economic and political situation. Let it be the introductory line. First point आप लिखोगे. It led to a huge increase in defense expenditure, which was financed by war loans and increasing taxes. Second point, custom duties were raised and income tax was introduced. Third point, through the war years, prices increased, doubling between 1913 and 1918, leading to extreme hardships for the common people. Change the point. Villages were called upon to supply soldiers, and the forced recruitment in rural areas caused widespread anger. Change the point. In 1918 and 1919 and 1920 to 21, crops failed in many parts of India, resulting in acute shortages of food, accompanied by an influenza epidemic. चाहो तो इसको अलग point कर लो, चाहे तो इसको इसके साथ merge कर लो. That is completely your wish, right?
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है? This whole paragraph into points. Pavni, next answer, would you like to tell? Why Indians were outraged by the Rowlatt Act? Yes, Pavni.
Ma'am, I can find only a few points, like not many.
हाँ चलो बता दो whatever you know.
Ma'am, the first point is that because of the Rowlatt Act, this gave the government enormous powers to repress political activities and allowed detention of political prisoners without trial for 2 years. Then rallies were organized in various cities, workers went on strike in railway workshops, and shops closed down.
No, you can simply write the first part that you read. That is more than sufficient for this answer, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Right? Yes,
Ma'am,
but
because I could find like those points where like where the Indians face some issues or something like that. Apart from this.
see, it is basically that the question is asking you that why Indians were outraged by the Rowlatt Act. Indians were outraged by the Rowlatt Act because this act was passed hurriedly through the Imperial Legislative Councils. Okay, then it gave the government enormous powers to repress political activities and allowed detention of political prisoners without trial for 2 years. So this was something that was considered to be undemocratic and oppressive. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Only this much is more than sufficient for this answer, for this question, I believe. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then next question is, why Gandhi ji decided to withdraw the non-cooperation movement? Can we have Jujhar telling this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी बताओ बेटा.
Gandhiji decided to withdraw the non-cooperation movement because the movement took a violent turn at Chauri Chara in Gorakhpur, where peaceful demonstrations in a bazaar turned into a violent clash with the police. Hearing of the incident, Mahatma Gandhi called a halt to the non-cooperation movement.
ठीक है. Fine. Anything else? Any other point to be added to this? Huh?
Ma'am, can you please tell the page number?
It is on, just a second, just a second. Let me scroll to that only. Here. At Chauri Chaura in Gorakhpur, a peaceful demonstration in a bazaar turned into a violent clash with the police. Hearing of the incident, Mahatma Gandhi called a halt to the non-cooperation movement, page 61.
Okay,
Did you
ma'am.
only know? I think you have read from here only.
Yes, ma'am. Same.
Very good.
Ma'am, just the first
Some
4
questions
5
are also asked from teachers.
What beta? नहीं नहीं, but it is a general thing, no, because non-cooperation was called off and many people made a issue out of it. That is why we have this question. Yes, Naina was saying something or Pavni was saying.
Ma'am,
हाँ जी बेटा पूछो.
ma'am, can we add one more point that Mahatma Gandhi felt that the Satyagrahis needed to be trained properly
Yes.
before they would be ready for mass struggles?
See, it is written over here, no, that in February
Yes,
1922, Mahatma Gandhi decided to withdraw the non-cooperation movement. He felt that the movement was turning violent in many places. Then Satyagrahis needed to be properly trained before they would be ready for mass struggles. Then within the Congress, some leaders were by now tired of mass struggles and wanted to participate in elections to the provincial councils that had been set up by the Government of India Act of 1919. Full stop. 3 points you can give for this answer. Am I clear?
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Fine. Yes, Akansha. Yes. Now next question. What is meant by the idea of Satyagraha?
May I add?
May I? Yes. Nana would like to take.
May I?
Wait.
Yes,
There are many in the class. Let us have
Ma'am, may I?
Akansha Saxena answering. Akansha.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
Ma'am, the idea of Satyagraha emphasized the power of truth and the need to search for the truth. It suggested that if the cause was true, if the struggle was against injustice, then a physical force was not necessary to repress the oppressor
ठीक
or
है.
fight the oppressor.
Only this much?
May I add?
Yes, ma'am, as far as I have this much.
ठीक है. We can add some more points to it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Like it is written
Paragraph,
on.
which is first paragraph.
See, you can see the page on the screen. Second line. The
Yes.
idea of Satyagraha emphasized the power of truth and the need to search for truth. Second, it suggested that if the cause was true, if the struggle was against injustice, then physical force was not necessary to fight the oppressor. Then, without seeking vengeance or being aggressive, a Satyagrahi could win the battle through non-violence. This could be done by appealing to the conscience of the oppressor. Right? Up till here, I think more than sufficient. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I think you also told us from here only, no, Akansha?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Only this much is sufficient. Okay? If you want to add, you can simply add that Satyagraha, this mass agitation method was used by Gandhiji in South Africa, right? If you want to, otherwise it is not required. Only the amount that I have read for you, that much is sufficient for this answer. Now the next question is, write a newspaper report on Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Sometimes you may get a question that describe the infamous incident of Jallianwala Bagh that happened in Amritsar. So what would you write if you get this question? How would you write
Ma'am,
this?
may I?
Okay,
May
Viresh. Let Viresh try.
First point would be on 13 April, the famous Jallianwala Bagh incident took place. A large crowd gathered in the enclosed ground of Jallianwala Bagh, out of which most came to attend annual Baisakhi fair, but some came to protest against government's new repressive measures. The city being outside the place being outside from the cities, many people were unaware of the martial law that had been imposed. Dyer entered the area, blocked the exit points, and opened fire on crowds, killing hundreds. His object, as he declared later, was to produce a moral effect to create in the minds of Satyagrahis a feeling of terror and awe.
See this for the first paragraph that you have, this you can give for the answer that if it tells you to write about or describe the Jallianwala Bagh incident, you can always write from this first paragraph, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye. Do I need to repeat it or you will write on your own?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, this newspaper report question we need to write in a notebook.
No, this one you don't do in the notebook. That is why I told you, you may get a question asking you that describe the Jallianwala Bagh, describe the infamous Jallianwala Bagh incident that took place in Amritsar. You may get a question to describe it. You may get questions based on it, but no need to do this newspaper report. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Then coming to the next question. Compare the images of Bharat Mata in the chapter with the image of Germania in chapter 1. Do you find any similarity in both the images that are there? Okay, fine. So we'll be talking about the similarities that or whatever you can point out to. Okay. Let me
Ma'am,
see.
in question 3, one more point is there about the Simon Commission.
You can tell always. Yes, tell beta.
Ma'am, they are asking to write a newspaper report on the Simon Commission.
But then newspaper report we are not going to write, no. So I'll give you a separate question for this. Separate question I'll give you for this particular part, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Chalo. Can we have Ananya Singh answering? Ananya, are you there? No, I think she left. Chalo, koi nahi. Can we have Kanika answering?
Ma'am, I need some time to find the answer.
Okay. Pavni?
May I? Yes, ma'am.
हाँ चलो एक मिनट रुको नैना आप वेट करो 2 मिनट हाँ पावनी बताओ बेटा
Just a minute, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm not able to mark the answer.
Okay, fine. Nana, you continue, beta.
May I?
Yes, ma'am. We can write the points like Germania was depicting a country, Germany, and Bharat Mata depicts India.
Fine. Next.
Ma'am, we can write that Germania wears a crown of oak leaves, which symbolizes heroism. And write for Bharat Mata that Bharat Mata is wearing with a is holding a, and besides her a lion is standing, which symbolizes the power and authority.
ठीक है, very good.
Ma'am, there is one more point for Bharat Mata.
Ma'am, I could find only these.
Yes, Gargi, tell. Gargi, add on that point.
Ma'am, the point is that Bharat Mata is portrayed as an ascetic figure. She is calm, composed, divine, and spiritual. It is given on page 71.
It is given right. Very good. So I think we have in total 6 points.
Yes, ma'am. 3 for each.
No. 3 for each. In total, we have 6 points. In total, we have 6 points. Okay.
Can you please tell the 6 points?
Just a second. Let me summarize.
These types of questions will
First
come.
point, huh? Yes, Viresh?
These type of questions will come.
Of course, of course. We don't know which type of questions can come. See, you can write that the image of Germania symbolizes German nation, whereas image of Bharat Mata symbolizes Indian nation. First point over. Second point, you can write that both the images, they inspired the nationalists to work hard to unify their respective countries and to attain a liberal nationhood. Right?
And where it is written?
Beta, shall I share the image of this answer with you people?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, give me a minute. Okay, just a second. Huh? लाइट में लिखा हुआ है बेटा, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
You can take a screenshot of this answer. Taken?
Just a minute.
Ma'am, in the write in brief, we have to know only 3
Ma'am, please
questions.
wait.
Waiting. Beta, Puneet, see, frankly speaking, beta, there are several questions that could be framed from the chapter. I am making you do these NCERT questions because they are also important. Several times it has happened that these people, they give only these questions which are given at the back. They don't go inside the chapter, but not always. Right? So these questions we will do, plus additional questions I will give you when we will be revising. Right? Like if you remember, I told you that every topic has 2 to 3 questions, whether 3 marks or 5 marks. Like when we were doing this non-cooperation movement, I told you that the different topics that you have, on the basis of those different topics, you have different questions based. Like they may ask you about how non-cooperation movement, like there is a I'll just tell you. There is a line which asks you that why did the non-cooperation movement slowed down in cities? So this is third paragraph of the movements in the towns, page number 58. So you may get questions like this also. आप केवल इन पीछे वाले क्वेश्चंस पे कन्फाइंड होके मत रह जाइएगा, आपको बहुत सारे हम क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस कराएंगे. दिस इज जस्ट that after the chapter is completed, these are some questions that are given at the back. You need to do them as well. I hope I am clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, this whole chapter has more than 300 questions. अगर हम आपको questions लिखवाने बैठेंगे तो मुझे नहीं लगता है कि हम हमारी जो कम से कम 15 क्लासेस ऐसी होंगी जो हमें केवल क्वेश्चंस लिखने में ही निकल जाएंगे हमारे. ठीक है, तो वो जो रिवीजन हम जब कराएंगे तो आई विल गिव यू कलेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस, तो उनको आप अपने पास रख लीजिएगा जिससे कि एट द टाइम ऑफ रिवीजन यू हैव क्वेश्चंस विद यू. और बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस ऐसे हैं बेटा जो कि 5-5, 6-6 क्वेश्चंस ऐसे हैं जिनका आंसर एक ही है, बट इन अ डिफरेंट मैनर दे हैव बीन फ्रेम्ड. राइट? राइट क्लास?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. Coming to the next question. Next question is of discuss. List all the different social groups which joined the non-cooperation movement, right, of 1921. Then choose any three and write about their hopes and struggles to show why they joined the movement. अब ये वही वाला question आ गया. Non-cooperation movement जो आपका peasants वाला था.
Ma'am, there's movement in towns, cities and countryside.
हाँ बिल्कुल. ये पेज 58 जो है आपका, यहाँ से सारे आपके वो शुरू हो जाते हैं. रीजंस ऑफ द पीपल फॉर पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन नॉन कोऑपरेशन. ठीक है, लेट मी गो टू दैट पेज. वेट, कहाँ गया? How to go to that?
It will be basically three types: that middle class participation, peasant and tribal, and the workers.
नहीं बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
स्वराज
Ma'am,
plantation workers.
Plantation workers.
हाँ.
That's what I said, workers.
Then
Plantation workers.
tribal peasants. Participation
Yes,
of
ma'am.
tribal peasants. Then
And peasant people.
then
Peasant.
the struggle of peasants.
And
That,
business class people.
then business classes, right? Middle class participation. So you have नहीं business class वाला, तो business class वाला भी इसी में है क्या? Let me see.
No, ma'am, it was in civil disobedience.
Civil disobedience. That is for civil disobedience. ठीक है? Right class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तो आपको इसमें जितने भी लोग जो भी पार्टिसिपेशन था उसमें से आपको ये बताना है. जैसे इसमें अगर आप मिडिल क्लास को देखते हो तो लॉयर्स थे, टीचर्स थे, हेडमास्टर्स थे, स्टूडेंट्स थे, पीजेंट्स थे, ट्राइबल्स थे, वर्कर्स थे. वर्कर्स वर आल्सो पार्ट ऑफ द नॉन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट. ठीक है, पर इनमें से आप पीजेंट जो आपका ये वो है थे लैंडलॉर्ड्स वाला जो था ना, ऑपरेसिव लैंडलॉर्ड जो थे, एक उनके बारे में आप लिख सकते हो. कौन थे वो? सन्यासी बाबा रामचंद्र.
Baba Ram.
ठीक है, बाबा रामचंद्र वाला केस आप ले सकते हो. हाँ. देन प्लांटेशन वर्कर्स के बारे में यू कैन राइट. देन यू कैन ऑलवेज राइट अबाउट दिस प्लांटेशन वर्कर्स. ठीक है,
Yes, ma'am.
राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
So do I need to tell this answer to you or you will do on your own?
We will do it as.
ठीक है. Then the next question is discuss the Salt March to make clear why it was an effective symbol of resistance against colonialism. Anybody for this answer?
I'm just looking
May
at
I?
Okay, Gargi.
Ma'am, it is given on page 63, first para. Salt was something consumed by the rich and the poor alike, and it was one of the most essential food items. The tax on salt and the government monopoly over its production. Mahatma Gandhi declared revealed the most oppressive face of British rule. Mahatma Gandhi started his famous Salt March accompanied by 78 of his trusted volunteers. march was over 240 miles from Gandhiji's ashram in Sabarmati to the Gujarati coastal town of Dana. The volunteers walked for 24 days and about 10 miles a day. On 6 April, he reached Dandi and ceremonially violated the law manufacturing salt by boiling seawater. This marked the beginning of the civil disobedience movement.
Okay. Everyone got this answer?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Do I need to repeat?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तो एक काम करते हैं, हम शेयर कर देते हैं आंसर आप लोग के साथ, ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
By the time I'm doing it, read out the next question. Beta, read out the next question.
Yes, ma'am. Imagine you are a woman participating in the civil disobedience movement. Explain what the experience meant to your life.
Okay. Can we have any one of you answering this question?
These type of questions are also important.
Huh?
And these type of questions are also important.
बेटा बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. हम क्यों कहते हैं कि डेप्थ में हमें चैप्टर पढ़ना है, उसका कारण ये है, they can come up with any type of question. बेटा दिख रहा है ये आंसर?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You can take a screenshot.
And can you share the first answer also?
Yes, yes. The one which was done previously.
Yes, ma'am.
ये वाला है.
Okay, ma'am.
Done.
Ma'am, can you please show the Satyagraha one?
Second one. Okay.
Ma'am, in copies, ma'am, we have to do, ma'am.
You do these questions in the notebook
Ma'am, done.
for the assessment work, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very less time is left. So this question, if you are a woman participating in the civil disobedience movement, explain what the experience meant to your life. We will discuss this answer tomorrow. You be prepared, right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
ठीक है?
ma'am.
चलिए. Thank you, class. Today
Thank
nobody,
you, ma'am.
nobody could intrude in my class, like many did, you know.
Ma'am.
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए.
Okay, ma'am.
Hope you had
Thank you, ma'am.
time with the classes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank
beta.
you, ma'am.
Thank you, children. Thank you, class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children.